In other news, the death toll from the magnitude 7.2 quake that hit central Visayas has now risen to 222. This with the recovery of another missing person from the quake rubble in Sevilla, Bohol, and the death of another severely injured victim. The NDR-RMC said 8 others are missing and 797 people were injured. NDR-RMC spokesman Reynaldo Balido said the search will continue. Still missing. A total of 671,103 families, or 3,221,248 individuals were affected by the temblor. The initial damage to property was placed at 2.2 billion pesos.
Yung full na retrieval operations, ang sabi dun sa local is dadaan-daanin na nilang ilalaylo. Pero meron pa rin limited na operations na gagawin. Yun nga, yung Felix Mines yung nakatutok dun is sabi nila the other day para i-culminate na nila yung retrieval operations. Pero yung mga local, yung mga PNP natin, tatry pa rin nila, susubukan pa rin nila.